Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. Today you're going to learn how to make Fatwood matches so that you can instantly have matches to replace your old conventional matches. So pretty much Fatwood, you can do a general search on Google or even on Amazon. Most of them will look the same, and even in the wilderness you're going to have to cut it down into the correct size that you need. So we're pretty much going to be batoning our Fatwood into smaller pieces, kind of like this example, but just on a smaller scale version, probably most likely with a smaller knife. It'll make it easier. So you want to actually baton each individual piece. I unfortunately had a hammer with me, so that you get little thin slices, and you can use a bic lighter to light it, and pretty much from there you'll have a replica of a match just used out of Fatwood. And then to ignite it, to make it easier, you actually use some sort of fire tinder. We used our fire ace tinder in this example, and then once you have the fire tinder ignited, you just pretty much put the match right next to it and it'll stay lit. You can also even just start a fire just sticking into the ground and use some sort of fire accelerant next to it, and it'll pretty much take off. We used our fire tinder in this example. And then if you wanted to actually have some sort of extension pole for your Fatwood match, you're going to need to use some sort of branch. So typically that's still green. You're going to want to put a slit on the end so that it fits right in front of it. You got to be careful that you don't split the branch, but it has just enough room so you can put just the Fatwood match right into it where it's snug and it keeps it tight. And same procedure, you can just use fire ace tinder to light the end, and from there you pretty much have your Fatwood match ignited, and it'll pull to keep your little match handy and extended. So thanks guys for watching.